Let's take a quick tour on board Wild Rose, the 2004 Scimitar 1010 Flybridge power catamaran. After a recent price reduction, now asking $450,000, she is ready to go for her new owners. Scimitar 1010s have somewhat of a loyal following in Australia, and for good reason. They are extremely comfortable, capable, and economical cruisers ideally suited to the boating in Moreton Bay, the Whitsundays, and beyond. Wild Rose has a few features that we think set her apart from the rest. With a whopping 5-metre beam, the cockpit has plenty of space to entertain guests or to store the essential toys. Fishing gear, diving gear, paddleboards, kayaks, you name it, there's space for it all. Anchor up, drop the tender in the water and get cooking on the transom mounted barbecue. Add a few deck chairs for additional seating and everyone is a part of the action. One feature unique to Scimitars is the bathroom is directly accessible from the cockpit, so if guests are swimming, internal carpets aren't getting wet. Now into the saloon, where the beam is really showcased. Plenty of natural lighting and airflow with a mix of sliding and lift-up windows. Included is a full set of covers in white, which help keep the heat out on those hot summer days. Wild Rose has the addition of a custom-made return to the galley, which increases bench and storage space, as well as providing additional comfort if preparing meals underway. Opposite the galley is a large, U-shaped dinette that easily seats 5. Accommodation on board a Scimitar 1010 consists of 2 double berths forward and 2 singles aft. The singles, whilst small, are perfect for kids or just additional storage. A large hatch in the roof of the 2 main cabins allows for ample lighting and ventilation. Now let's head up to the flybridge. 2 helm chairs, plenty of seating for guests with an aft-facing wraparound lounge, and with the additional fridge, drinks are never far away. Extra height bow rails on the foredeck give parents peace of mind, and up here is another great spot to relax. Wild Rose is powered by twin Volvo 160 horsepower diesel shaft drives with under 1500 hours, providing an efficient and economical cruise speed of 17 knots using 40 litres an hour combined. A larger than standard fuel capacity of 880 litres and an upgraded Scimitar spray deflectors round out some of our key features. If you would like to find out more about Wild Rose or any of our other current listings, please get in contact with our office.